Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Nasdaq 100. Today is July 21st. It's almost 4 a.m. East Coast time. And as you can see, the Nasdaq is way up. The only way to trade this market is to buy the pullbacks, like here, like here, like there, like here. If you try to buy this market here, you are late. You are just chasing the market. So if you're trading Nasdaq 100, wait for pullback. Play the same thing here. Okay? Let me show you real quick. We go to the 1 hour time frame. I don't know if it's gonna allow me to go there, but here we go. You see this? So wait for the pullback. You wait for the pullbacks and buy it. But if you're gonna buy here, you are late. Wait for the pullback here down to this side, and then you can continue to trail it. But I'm expecting this Nasdaq, this market, to pull back because it is way too high. All right. Be safe trading today. Happy trading. I hope this helps.